Hey, I'm Sam and I do design. Today I'm doing a weekly design challenge sketch off with Jacob. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use reference images from Google or Pinterest to make your sketches a lot quicker for drawing people. I think I'm going to sketch a nebulizer that's a little bit more compact and portable, so I'll see where that form takes me, but I think I'm going to be looking at more future concepts rather than redesigning nebulizers from now. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is hop into Sketchbook and create a new sketch, and we'll just do it at screen resolution. And there we go, we've got a sketch there. I've got my pencil tool here at about a 3 size, so I can start sketching nicely here. And now we're ready to start sketching for the weekly design challenge. So I wanted to explain what the weekly design challenge is for those few of you out there who might not know. It's a design sketching prompt on Instagram with a new subject matter every week. To enter the challenge, you post your sketch and use the hashtag, and if they like it, you get featured on their page. This week the challenge is medical design, and it is a nebulizer. And I've teamed up with YouTube superstar Mirin to produce a tutorial for our design entries. You can go and check out his sketch over on his channel, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description below. With that being said, I'm already a fair way through the sketch at the moment, and I make it no secret that I like to use reference materials whenever possible. So I've already traced the outline of a face that I found on Pinterest, and I spent some time to find a photo with the right angles for my sketch. Then I just saved the photo to my camera roll and imported it to Sketchbook to use as an underlay. So you can see here that I've got a rough outline of my device as I'm sketching it now, and I'm just sort of adding bits and taking away bits as I think they look right or not right. And you'll notice as well that I keep zooming out to see the overall image to try and find the best proportions. With the underlay sketch done, I can add a new layer and start to refine the sketch, and then it's time to start adding in the shading. Don't forget that all of this is on new layer, guys. Whenever I'm adding in a new element, I always put it on a new layer just in case I need to change it later on down the line. So I do know that it's difficult to render clear things. In this piece there are 2 main clear elements, and you'll see that I use a rule of thumb for clear objects where the main faces are transparent but it gets opaque towards the edges with a darker colour to try and give that edge some definition. So I'm just going through now, again, all on new layers, adding in some more details where I think need some more definition. And you can see now I've gone back into Pinterest to try and find a grill feature to just simply place in to save me drawing all of those little dots. So adding in a button now for the interface, and again giving the edges a slight different colour to try and give it some more definition. And back onto the internet for some different logos and icons. This is Noun Projects. I use this a lot for icons like this, and because it's just a little sketch for Instagram, I've taken it straight from their website and I can use it as an underlay to sketch on. So I'm just going through now and adding some final details just to give it that little bit extra, and finishing it off with a vignette and then the only thing left to do now is post to Instagram. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial from my process of a nebulizer. I posted this sketch onto my Instagram for the weekly design challenge, and like I said before, you can go and check out Jacob's sketch for his tutorial over on his channel. If you enjoyed this full process tutorial, do let me know down in the comments so I know to carry on making videos like these. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!